Whakakaua tutaku wairoa ki uta. He aio ki te rangi, he aio ki te whenua, he aio ki te taki aho e. Whakarongo ki te tai, te koro e rangi.
2 years ago, I was given the task of composing a song to lyrics by Tei Nohotima, and the outcome was He Aio. Now, initially, it was created as an item for Te Kapahurutea o Rauta Wānanga, Te Taira Whiti. Now, I grew more fond of this song as it was performed by our kids back home. So we had the idea, let's commercialize it. Let's use this as an opportunity for those kids to see what they do on a day-to-day basis can turn into or look like in a different environment and on a bigger scale. Now, being my first single as a solo artist, the experience has been such a big eye-opener for me. It's such an honour and privilege. I can't thank everyone enough for the love and support that they have given me, this track and my journey to this day. Nō reira, ngā mihi nui e te whānau, mauri ora.
Thank you so much for listening to Toroa. It was a song that was written when I had the privilege of hanging out with my cousins from Otago Marae. Shout out to Komene Cassidy, who helped to translate and bring some of the ideas together. In the song, I asked that bird to come back to land and help to bring a bit of peace back to our lives, and just expressing our awe of the bird and our reverence for the bird, and kind of wanting to see it a bit more. Thank you to APRA and all your work on the admins, and yeah, we'll see you out there soon. Tēnā tātou.
Koutou katoa e te iwi e te moti whānui ngā mihi o te wā kia koutou. Ko te tumana koe ora pai ana koutou o koutou kāinga mahi i tēnei rā i tēnei wā. Ahakoa ngā pāhekitanga o te wā, kia utonu i te iwi, kia utonu. Kia ora everybody, my name is Maisey Rika. I wrote the waiata Waitī Waitā, and the amazing brother Seth produced the waiata. I just wanted to acknowledge APRA for this nomination, being a finalist for Maioha. We are so humbled and so grateful. Thank you very much. I based it around the trill. Waiata, Waitī Waitā. So Waitī Waitā was based around that. It's just about our waterways. I wrote this waiata for our kids. Like the water, they are pure and innocent and beautiful. So yeah, that's Waitī Waitā in a nutshell, e te iwi. Kia ora no tātou.